Hello flower folks, and welcome to Share Inspirations. Today I wanted to share with you another woody slash shrubby perennial called lion's tail. The botanical name is in the title of the video. I have just recently found out about this plant and acquired it in a plant trade. Apparently it grows a native in the desert and makes a great cut flower. If you are in the northern states and you would like to grow this, you would want to provide mulch for this. I am in zone 8B, Southern California, high desert, and I do not need to provide a mulch because it stays up for me year round. However, it does have a very long flowering season, starting from late spring all the way till frost. The hummingbirds and butterflies, no need to say, love it because of the bright orange flowers. To me, it looks very similar to bee balm. The color is extremely striking. It lasts about 5 to 7 days in a vase and makes a great companion plant if you are wanting to acquire it and grow it. And that was the video, guys. I hope you found it helpful and it has added value into your cut flower gardening. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.